The French Air Force has recently announced an amended $48.5 million contract with General Atomics Aeronautical Systems Incorporated to ensure the continued operational readiness of its MQ-9 Reaper fleet. This contract, part of the FA 8689-22 SEAD 2017 agreement and the U.S. Foreign Military Sales Program, will last until December 31, 2025, strengthening the strategic cooperation between the United States and France in advanced defense technologies. The deal covers a wide range of maintenance services, including logistical support, software updates, and maintenance of the aircraft's sensors and structures. The work will be carried out in Poway, California, and in France, ensuring the MQ-9 Reapers remain fully operational for their critical intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Since entering service in 2014, the MQ-9 Reapers have been instrumental in France's military operations, particularly in the Sahel region, supporting Operation Barkhane. These drones have played a vital role in providing intelligence and enhancing situational awareness in complex environments, making them an essential part of France's counterterrorism efforts in Africa. France first acquired the MQ-9 Reaper drones in 2013 under a €670 million deal with the United States. The fleet of 12 Block 1 MQ-9s was deployed to support military operations like Operation Serval in Mali. These drones quickly proved their worth by providing both surveillance and precision strike capabilities. In 2020, the Reapers were authorized to carry weapons, including AGM-114 Hellfire missiles and GBU-12 Paveway-2 guided bombs, making them a more versatile platform for both reconnaissance and strike missions. The MQ-9 Reaper features an impressive array of sensors, including the multispectral targeting system and Link synthetic aperture radar, enabling the drone to conduct surveillance even in poor weather conditions. With a flight endurance of over 27 hours and a payload capacity of 1,746 kilograms, the Reaper is capable of long-duration missions while supporting ground operations with precision strikes. While France has relied on foreign drone systems like the MQ-9, it is actively investing in developing its own capabilities. The European Mail Drone System, or Eurodrone, is a joint project with Germany, Italy, and Spain, set to provide a European alternative to the MQ-9 Reaper by 2029. This project aims to offer comparable ISR capabilities with the potential for weapon integration. Simultaneously, French companies like Dassault Aviation, Airbus Defence and Space, and Thales are working on advanced drone technologies, including stealth platforms and mini-drones for tactical missions. Dassault, for example, is developing the Neuron, a stealth combat drone intended to pave the way for future autonomous systems. However, despite these advancements, France faces challenges in achieving full independence in drone technology. The recent conflicts, such as the war in Ukraine, have highlighted the growing importance of drones on the battlefield, prompting France to speed up its efforts. To that end, the French government is investing €5 billion in drone technology by 2030. The MQ-9 Reaper has proven to be a game-changer in modern warfare, and this new maintenance contract ensures France's fleet will remain ready for the challenges ahead. As France continues to develop its own drone capabilities, it will rely on both international partnerships and domestic innovation to stay competitive in the global drone market.